Circle.
Hello everyone, I'm Circle. I have no corners or edges, just a smooth, continuous curve.
Square.
Hello everyone, I'm Square, the shape with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles.
Triangle.
Hi there, I'm Triangle, the 3-sided shape with a flair for angles.
Rectangle.
Hello everyone, I'm Rectangle, the elongated and versatile shape with 4 sides and 4 right angles.
Oval.
Hi there, I'm Oval, the smooth and graceful shape that's all about curves, unlike my round cousin, the Circle.
Cube.
Hi there, I'm Cube, a 3-dimensional shape with 6 equal square faces.
Pentagon. Hello, I'm Pentagon, a 5-sided shape with 5 angles. Hexagon. Hi there, I'm Hexagon, the 6-sided shape with 6 angles. Star. Hello, everyone, I'm Star, the shape that sparkles with F. Hello, everyone, I'm Cylinder. Arrow. Hey, I'm Arrow, a shape that symbolizes direction. You'll see me in signs, maps, and graphics, helping to dial. Question mark. Hello, everyone, I'm Question mark, the curious shape that represents inquiry and uncertainty. Plus. Hi there, I'm plus sign, the symbol of addition and positivity, bringing things together to create some. Minus. Hello, I'm minus sign, the symbol of subtraction, representing the idea of taking away and creating space. Division. Hi, I'm division sign, the symbol that represents split, taking things apart and finding how many times one number fit into another. Multiplication. Hello, I'm multiplication sign, the symbol of combining n numbers to find their product, representing growth and connection.